Hi everyone, welcome back to our channel. In today's video, I'm going to show you how to stretch an image using the Pixlr app. It is a very easy and simple process, so let's dive right in. First of all, find the Pixlr app on your home screen. Now open it. Now choose one photo that you want to stretch. Now, to stretch the photo, simply tap onto the Tools button right here. Now to stretch it, tap onto the crop option right here. Now to resize it, simply tap onto the corners and crop it just like this. Now you can see, you can also move the box just like this. Now after cropping it, simply tap onto the check mark. And you can see now, the photo has been stretched. And just like this, you can stretch the image in the Pixlr app. It is a very simple process, right? If you found this video helpful, don't forget to like and subscribe for more tips. Thanks for watching.